Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Mobile Korea 2025, especially to my sessions. I'm so honored to be with you here today to share our insight on next generation network validation and quality monitoring. My name is Rami from Innowireless. Innowireless is the world leading mobile network test provider. Also, we have a very professional global sales and marketing company. It's called Acuver. Acuver stands for Accurate Verification. Acuver has 8 global branches. Acuver America in Dallas, Acuver Canada in North York, Acuver Japan in Tokyo, Acuver Shanghai, and APEC, Shanghai, Hong Kong. And we have also India branches. And we Acuver Poland in Warsaw and Acuver EMEA in London. So over the next 20 minutes, I will present global case studies that demonstrate how we are addressing the key challenges in testing 5G, 5G Advanced, and NTN, and beyond. Okay, let me outline what I will cover today. First, I will examine the network evolution and key challenges. And then I will deep dive through our revolutionary solutions, advanced NTN test solution, AI-based video quality measurement, and scalable multi-UE test platform. Each section includes real case studies from our deployment and global trials. Okay, let's take a look at the network evolution and key challenges. The telecom landscape has changed dramatically. 5G NSA and SA deployment, along with network slicing and NSSAI management have multiplied our test cases. We are no longer dealing with a simple connectivity test. We are validating complex and orchestrated tests. Also, our system adds another level of complexity. We need a comprehensive test to verify a multi-vendor interoperability and end-to-end stabilities. We have to ensure time precision and maintain security across distributed architectures. Meanwhile, NTN systems are advancing rapidly. Operators are deploying LEO constellations at record speeds, forming strategy partnerships with terrestrial networks. But NTN environment bring us various challenges we've never faced before. For example, variable round-trip times, significant Doppler shift, and dynamic moving beam patterns. So what challenges to these changes to challenges bring to testing, network testing? Looking ahead, 3GPP release 18 and early 60 standards aim to build a truly hyper-connected world, a hybrid global network with enhanced satellite integration, seamless mobility, and intelligent handover. At the same time, operators are demanding AI-based, no reference quality of experience monitoring. Why? Because AI technology has matured and video traffic now dominates network usage patterns. In today's networks, most video content is generated and streamlined in real time, such as OTT streaming, video call, video conference, and live broadcast. For these services, there is no original reference video available for comparison, which means traditional reference-based methods could not apply anymore. Also, the convergence of 5G NSA, end-to-end, RAN, and massive IoT demands advanced end-to-end realism in testing. This is exactly where our solutions come into play. So far, I've talked about the network evolution and key challenges in testing. Now I will introduce our solutions designed to solve these challenges. First, advanced end-to-end test solutions. Over the past few years, we've all heard many announcements about direct-to-cell service launch. Today, those trials are turning into real deployment with satellite operators and mobile carriers collaborating to bring direct-to-cell connectivity to commercial users. Since NTN will be covered in another tomorrow section, maybe, so I will keep this part brief and let's move on to the next. We have a new set of challenges we've never faced before in testing NTN. We need to create realistic NTN channel conditions. Things like variable round-trip times that changed with satellite orbits and complex Doppler shift from satellite movement and dynamic path loss as beam shift across coverage areas. Validating terrestrial to satellite handover also requires precise RF testing under conditions that are constantly changing in real time. That's why operators are now demanding automated validation systems that learn continuously without any human interventions while maintaining accuracy and repeatability. To meet these needs, Innowireless provides an automated NTN test solutions. Our solution covers both field and laboratory testing requirements. On the left, you can see SK Ranger for our field solution. On the right, you will see XCAT Space, our laboratory test system. XCAL and XCAT is our brand name, and SK Ranger, XCAT Space, a product name. XK Ranger provides real-world NTN performance validation with fully automated 24 hours, 7 days monitoring. It operates continuously under actual orbital environmental conditions. On the other hand, XCAT Space complements this with controlled lab testing. It can emulate both LEO and GEO satellite environment. Let's take a look at SK Ranger example. SK Ranger conducts continuous field measurement, something that's impossible to achieve in lab testing. It includes multiple real devices that automatically make and receive different call types, SMS, voice call, and web browsing, and others. It's fully managed from the cloud, where all results are stored and analyzed for easy remote access. We've verified its power management, thermal stability, and data reliability through extensive long-term outdoor operation. Let me share some real deployment example. We've conducted field validation of device-to-device link performance of LEO satellites in the United States and Japan. Some of these deployments are already in operation, while others are currently in planning. These projects evaluate link quality, service continuity, and handover performance. The result provided operator with a valuable insight into real-world NTN performance that simply can't be obtained through simulation alone. Okay, next is XCAT Space. SK-Space provides comprehensive PP and TN channel emulation. The system supports multi-path fading simulation and satellite handover testing. RF coverage range is 300 megahertz to 6 gigahertz with 100 mega bandwidth capacity. The modular architecture features distal mux and fader units for signal processing and radio interface units for RF connectivity, giving operators full control over their test scenarios. This slide shows the example of global laboratories. Vodafone, AST Space Mobile, and the University of Malaga have jointly launched Europeans' first space and land-based network lab in Malaga, Spain. The facilities serve as a key testbed for validating direct-to-cell technology. It provides an environment where AST Space Mobile's satellites and Vodafone's terrestrial networks can be tested together in an integrated setup. At the Malaga lab, Vodafone engineers are conducting handover validation, voice and data quality assessment, and D2C trials to evaluate end-to-end satellite to terrestrial connectivity. Our SK-Space solution is actively used in Malaga lab. This allows engineers to verify satellite terrestrial interoperability and performance before conducting costly on-field trials. Yeah, now let's move on to our second solution, the AI-based video quality assessment platform. This represents a fundamental paradigm shift from traditional reference-based testing to intelligent no-reference quality assessment. Video traffic now represents 75% of mobile data, and this percentage continues growing. The explosion in OTT services and video conferencing demand sophisticated quality assessment approaches. The emergence of AI and deep learning technology enables accurate, no-reference video quality measurement for the first time. Operators need real-time, automated quality of experience measurement that can scale with their network traffic volumes. This no-reference approach is essential for real-time applications such as live video streaming, video call, video conference, and public safety networks. In these scenarios, video is generated and transmitted instantly because there is no original source video to compare against. Traditional reference-based methods simply cannot be applied. Moreover, the growing diversity of codecs, resolutions, and adaptive bitrate make it impossible to maintain reference libraries for every scenarios. To meet these needs, Innowireless developed VQML, an AI-based no-reference video quality assessment solution that delivers accurate, real-time QoE assessment for any network, any device, any videos. Our solution uses AI to evaluate video quality on a 1 to 5 scale MOS based on human perception patterns. The AI is trained on various data sets, and the MOS calculation considers multiple factors: blockiness, blur, brightness, colorfulness, contrast, and resolution also. This enables accurate benchmarking across different mobile network operators, vendors, devices, network conditions, and even streaming platform. VQML offers a 3-product portfolio, each designed for different testing environment. First, XCal VQM, a standalone software solution. It evaluates the quality of OTT streaming, IPTV, and video call services, providing flexible video quality assessment right from a laptop or PC with capture card. Next, the VQM box and virtual camera add-on. This minimizes the impact of external factors like sunlight, device angles, or screen brightness, ensuring consistent and repeatable measurement every time. And when VQML is integrated with XCal, XCal is our TM logging tool, a video quality result can be directly synchronized with network performance data and signaling messages. This gives operators a complete view of service quality from both the user experience and the network perspectives. Let's take a look at some practical use cases of VQML for a video call quality assessment in 5G network. Rakuten evaluate video over LTE quality within an ORAN network as part of their TGIF end-to-end testing. At the same time, Global Nokia Lab in Poland assesses video over LTE performance using the virtual camera feature to ensure consistent and repeatable testing. Another case, we are seeing increased focus on validating video service for mission-critical networks, including EMBMS and video chat. Often it is practical or possible to use traditional reference-based video scoring system. We provide the ability to capture the full underlying protocol stack in addition to video scores to trace and diagnose like codes of poor service. Here is another example of VQML in OTT and video streaming testing. A Korean broadband operator conducted a comprehensive analysis to evaluate the quality of its own OTT service. Using VQML, they were able to measure the effectiveness of codec and transmission protocol optimization, providing actionable insight to enhance their user experience. Our solution extends beyond traditional networks. We are measuring video quality in 5G connected automotive infotainment systems and testing video stability on high-speed railway network. This application requires seamless video service quality during high mobility scenarios. And one more thing to highlight, that the no reference video quality assessment technology of Innowireless is being standardized by the ITUT SG12, reflecting global recognition of our innovation and accuracy. Finally, let me show our scalable multi-UE test platform. In traditional approaches, using emulator and devices have a significant limitation. Physical device lack scalability and emulators lack realism. XCal multi-UE box solves both problem, scalability and realism. It offers a precision, realistic traffic generation, automation, cost efficiency, and device diversity, all in one compact system, I think. Now let's see how XCal MU box work. It fits into standard 9-inch rack, takes up just 6 U of space and support up to 24 UE through 8 boards. Each UE board is equipped with 8 5G modules based on Qualcomm SDX62 chipset, supporting LTE, NSA, NSA mode, and even dual USIM capability for flexible testing scenarios. The system supports a full range of test types, IPAF, FTP, ping, and VoLTE. By stacking multiple legs, the system scales to support over 1,000 UEs, ideal for large-scale capacity and reliability testing of base stations. Here is a real deployment example. A major WAN vendor used xScale multi-UE box for large-scale self-performance validation. The test manager is our own name. Test manager configured the traffic types, channel conditions, and handover scenarios for each UE, while the channel emulator reproduced realistic radio environment. xScale MU box then collected and statistically analyzed the signals to verify various base station performance cases, including cell capacity saturation, load balancing, mixed traffic stress, and RRC paging procedures. As a member of the Open Alliance, Innowireless aligned with global standard for open WAN testing and validation. So a major operator in Japan used xScale MU box to verify their ORAN systems. When combined with our xCAT MACE, this is the multi-pass channel emulator, xCAT MU box performs real UE traffic testing across multiple topologies. Yeah, our solution delivers proven field result with clear operation benefits. Compared to traditional end-to-end lab testing using UE emulators or smartphones, xScale MU box offers several key advantages. The first, it provides one-touch test setup. No need for bulk smartphones or complicated configurations. Second, it operates across diverse frequency bands. Third, it's test ready immediately after SIM registration with no manual core network setup required. It also reduced additional RF card for multi-cell handover testing and enables a real application server connection. By combining realistic testing, advanced automation, and comprehensive analysis tools, users can validate networks or systems or equipment more efficiently and more effectively than ever before. In short, we can help our customers move from testing to true assurance. Thank you for your attention today. We've shown how Innowireless is addressing the critical challenges in next-generation network testing through our innovative end-to-end solution, AI-based video quality assessment, and scalable multi-UE test platforms. There aren't theoretical concepts. They are proven solution already used by major operators and vendors worldwide. As we move toward the 60, comprehensive network validation will become more essential for this than ever before. So I'd be very happy to answer any questions and discuss how our solutions can support your requirement. Thank you.
Thank you.